why just go to Fission Labs when you can actually start a company in India and do your own unit, right? So yeah, Finn, this is because we are talking about software and building software. This is similar to what I would say is building your own data center versus why use the cloud, right? Cloud is already there, and it's on demand. It's pay as you go. There are no capital costs. There's no regulatory environment that you'll have to address, right? Start a company. Then you have the legal, the accounting, there's one peculiar thing, another peculiar thing also in India. It's called transfer pricing. When two companies which are closely related, like a subsidiary would be for a HQ, right? For a parent company, then what happens is how much you pay the Indian company, right? And what value the Indian company is contributing to the overall value of the parent company. That has to be fair. And those calculations can get pretty tricky, or you have to say, okay, 20% over the cost, so 20% profit, the company in India will always declare these kind of things, right? So apart from these things, the establishment costs, then you have the infrastructure thing, the office space, furniture, internet, all of those kind of things that you'll have to start up. It might not be big amount, but what it does take is time, right? And then once you have that, then you get into, now I have to hire the talent. Then first of all, you have to hire a HR team, right? Human resources team. And all of these things, now instead of building into your product, now you got into building into a company, right, in India, just to get access to a talent. This is like building a data center versus actually going to AWS, just signing up, and today evening you already have all the servers or the services that you need. They're already there, and you're focusing on building your product on top of that AWS services, right? This is exactly like that. This most important aspect of this, I would say, the most important cost that one pays would be time. Because if you have enough time, let's say you're thinking of building a product 6 months down the lane and you want to start off today, maybe that could work, right? That could certainly work. Third thing, once we have all of this in place, but still you need a team in place. It's not a bunch of resources. It's a team, right? And that team, members who have worked together earlier, right? And who have a particular work culture, right? Who have this product building mindset ingrained into them, and the kind of technologies that they are using to build this product. Instead of sifting them and bringing in individuals on board, you have a kind of people who have worked with each other earlier, understand each other, can communicate much easier, and get on to the work of building your product much faster. So that's the difference that Fission can bring onto the table, or Fission, or for that matter, any other company that can provide these services.